In this video, we'll handle the En Passant for black pawn. Okay, so to get that ready, that's refactor. Let's refactor this a little bit. So let's move this into this one. Okay, and Control I. Okay, Command U to see if we break anything. No. So En Passant is not a normal move, so we can use else if here. Else if there. Okay, Command U again to test. Yeah, nothing is wrong. Okay, let's make it bigger so we have more rooms for our code. So here we still need to move up some common logic for both white and black. So this one is common one. Enemy is it last? Enemy is that one. Okay, and this one is not common to both black En Passant or white En Passant. Last move. Okay, so can we move this one? Yeah, so cut that and put it here and that. Command U again. Okay, good. So next one we can, this is common, right? This is common, I guess. Yeah, that's nothing special to white. So cut and we can put it here. So we can return just that, return that. Command U again. Okay, so this part colon delta is same thing, right? It's same logic. Last move from, okay, so 2 room. Okay, nice. So we have more and more common code there. Command U again. So now it's easy, right? Otherwise, yeah, else we can return let's see. So for En Passant, for the on the other side is, yeah, let's create one. Why not? So where is our test case for En Passant? Is it this one? Test the white En Passant. Okay, so we only need some simple case like that. So let's make a copy of this one and put it here. Control I. Okay, so now black pawn. Oh, what is that? No, we don't need this one. We want white En Passant. Yeah, okay, let's copy this one. Test white pawn En Passant. Yeah, like that. So this is break en passant. So yeah, we missed one here. So now let's put a P here, right? En passant. Yeah. So let's test. So this P has to be here, and the other P has to be here, and it can go here to capture, right? To capture that thing. Dot, dot, dot. So this guy to en passant, right? This guy. So this will be killed. Going to here. Yeah, so this is the black pawn. Here is the white pawn, the first move of white pawn. Okay, then immediately we can do the en passant of the black pawn. So let's finish the code. So it means the from row has to be 4, and the to row has to be 5, and the last move the from row has to be here 6. That's the rule of the white pawn. Yeah, moving this is white. Okay. Now let's create this scenario here. So insert piece. So white. Let's put the black first. Okay. So the black one 5 4 5 4 5 4. The white pawn 6 6 4. So it's 6 row 4. And this is white. Now last move is, so for the black to move next, so we need to set the whose turn. So don't forget that. So game dot whose turn equals equals white's turn, or equals false. Okay, white's turn equals false. Last move is this one. This guy is from 6 to 6 4. Last move is from 6 to 6 4. 6 4, right? Now assert true. So from 5 4 to here 6 4 6 5 6 5. This is a valid move, en passant move. And then we do the move, right? So here is not empty. This guy 6 4 6 4 is not empty, and after that is empty. After we make the move, 6 4 is empty. After the move, so this is the move. Let's copy that. Like that. Let's make the move. So after move is empty, and the destination is not empty. 665. The destination is 65 is not empty. Okay, now let's test it. Yeah, it works. Now let's comment out this part. Okay, and test it again. It failed. So it means this one is not movable. Okay, now uncomment out, and this time let's command U to test everything. Nice, it works. Okay, now let's run on the simulator to make sure En Passant works. Okay, so this has to move first. This one here, and like that. So here, let's do this, right? So this is not En Passant, it's not allowed, but this one is okay. Yeah. Now let's test another one, like this guy, and we have this one here. So this is a oh, now it's white's turn. Okay, so white's turn. Let's do. Can we move this one? No. Okay. Now here. Oh, now there's no way to put a white pawn here. So let's do anything here. So use this one for another test. So let's move this guy here. So now let's go here. So let's move this. So this one is not an En Passant, so it's not allowed. You see? Okay. So let's just move anything here. But this one is a En Passant condition, right? So this doesn't work for En Passant, but this one, yeah, cool. That's it for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching.